Number 1. 1987 Chevrolet S10, price $8,000, comes with a 5-speed manual transmission, a green exterior, and a black interior. Powered by a 2.5L engine, the truck is fully airbagged, giving it an adjustable ride height and a custom stance. It features power bucket seats, black carpet, and several recent maintenance updates, including new spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, fuel filter, and air filter. The suspension has been upgraded with new front and rear airbags, a monoleaf rear setup, 4-inch blocks, and a mini notch, with cups up front for added clearance. A rear-mounted battery sits in the bed alongside two 12-inch subwoofers and a 3-gallon air tank, controlled by manual switches with dual air gauges. The truck also includes motorcycle mirrors, plus a headliner board and extra interior parts. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, showing approximately 82,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, featuring a clean white exterior complemented by a tidy blue interior that has been well maintained over the years. The truck is a 2WD model powered by a dependable 350 engine paired with a TH400 transmission and a 4.10 axle ratio, giving it strong low-end performance and solid drivability. Although the truck does not come with air conditioning, it has recently received several important updates, including new dual batteries and new belts, ensuring reliable operation. The owner notes that it isn't a show truck, but it is a very nice driver with paint that remains in good condition and an interior that reflects consistent care. Number 3. 1992 Toyota pickup, price $10,000. It has 189,000 miles on it and is powered by the well-known 2.4L22RE engine, celebrated for its long-term reliability. It comes with a 5-speed manual transmission that still shifts smoothly and tightly, and its 4WD system engages properly, making it dependable for trails, snow, or work. The truck features a red exterior paired with a gray interior, which remains clean for its age, with only a small tear on the driver's seat. As a single-cab, short bed configuration, it stays lightweight and nimble on the road. The body is straight overall, showing only the typical light cosmetic wear expected from a vehicle over 30 years old. It has been well maintained, consistently taken care of, and comes with a clean title in hand, making it a solid and dependable classic Toyota pickup. Number 4. 1977 Ford F350, price $6,900, features an automatic transmission and comes finished in a classic brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior. Powered by a strong 351 V8 engine, it retains its desirable short bed 4x4 setup, complete with locking hubs, white wagon wheels, and capable off-road tires. The truck runs and drives, and it has been fitted with an upgraded carburetor to enhance performance. Inside, it keeps its original dash and factory layout, along with a bench seat that will require new upholstery. The frame and structure remain solid, making it a great classic platform. As expected from a 40-year-old truck, it shows patina, dents, and general wear throughout. The interior will need upholstery work, along with some wiring cleanup under the dash. The paint has aged but delivers a charming vintage look consistent with its era. The engine bay wiring could benefit from tidying, and both the tailgate and bed show normal cosmetic wear for its age. Number 5. 1991 Ford Ranger, price $10,000, showing approximately 80,000 original miles. It features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, with both the exterior and interior finished in a matching blue color. The truck was owned by its original owner until recently and was used only for occasional errands, always kept inside a heated garage. As a result, it has no mechanical issues and drives exceptionally smooth, with no squeaks or rattles, performing much like a newer vehicle. The interior remains in excellent condition with minimal signs of wear, even retaining its original floor mats in impressive shape. The exterior also presents well, showing only a few minor rock chips in the paint and some light scratches and small dents near the tailgate, which could be addressed easily if desired. Number 6. 1986 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000. This truck is an automatic transmission, gasoline-powered classic finished in blue on both the exterior and interior. As a 4x4 half-ton short bed pickup, it features a tilt steering column, dual fuel tanks, Sierra Classic trim, a 4.3L V6 engine paired with a 700R4 transmission, and an NP208 transfer case. The truck is equipped with crank windows and does not come with factory air conditioning. At the moment, it runs and moves under its own power using a gas can. While the body does show some rust, it is not severe, and both the bed and the frame remain in good condition for its age. Having been parked for an extended period, the vehicle will require a full mechanical inspection and general refurbishment.
Number 7.
1987 Dodge Ram 50, price $2,500. It has approximately 190,000 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a tan interior, and it runs on gasoline. The truck runs and drives well, making it a dependable little pickup. The heat works great, and although the AC was removed by the previous owner, the truck remains solid overall. The frame is in excellent condition, while the rockers show some rust that is still reparable, as shown in the photos. It is currently inspected until December 26 and even qualifies for antique plates. The only thing it needs is a new hazard switch for the turn signals and hazards to function properly, otherwise, it's a truck he would confidently drive anywhere.
Number 8.
1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,900. The truck shows approximately 179,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth driving experience for its age. It carries a white exterior paired with a blue interior, maintaining a classic late 90s Chevy look. The truck originally came from Virginia, and its body and frame remain impressively clean for its year. The rockers and cab corners are solid, which is a notable advantage compared to many older work trucks. Inside, the cabin is in fair condition, usable and intact, while modern touches such as CarPlay and a backup camera have been added to improve daily driving convenience. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives, showing that the drivetrain is still functional, though it currently displays a very high idle that the next owner should be prepared to inspect.
Number 9.
1982 Volkswagen Rabbit, price $7,500, comes with 195,000 miles on the odometer and features a manual transmission, a gray exterior paired with a blue interior, and a diesel engine. It has been upgraded into the turbo diesel 5-speed work truck many buyers search for. The AHU TDI engine, which had 138,000 miles at the time of installation, gives it far better highway capability than the original Volkswagen Caddy ever offered. The truck does need new glow plugs to improve cold weather starts. There is one small area of rot behind the wheel well shown in the pictures, while the hood only has surface rust and would benefit from repainting.
Number 10.
1995 Ford F350, price $3,900, features a 7.5 LVA 460 engine, automatic transmission, green exterior with gray interior, and 161,000 miles. It has an 8-foot bed with an extended cab and runs on gasoline. The truck tows reliably with its towing package, the AC blows cold, brakes are in good condition, and many components have been recently serviced or replaced, including the battery, muffler, vacuum lines, injectors, spark plugs and wires, distributor cap, ignition coil, shocks, tailgate, taillights, radio, and fuel system. Receipts are available. Cosmetic and age-related issues include rust on the wheel wells, cab corners, and frame, a slightly leaking front main seal, an unsealed EGR pipe, bed cap lock needed, positive camber on the front driver's side wheel, and occasional hard starts in cold weather.